Do you want to trade and earn money fast? Many people dream of financial freedom, quick gains, and a life without limits. But here's a harsh truth. Most traders fail. And it's not because of bad luck or because the markets are against you. The truth is far more hidden. Today I will reveal the myths that keep 99% of traders poor. These are the misconceptions that trap beginners in a cycle of loss and frustration. Listen carefully. This could change how you think about trading forever. Myth number 1, trading is all about luck. Many beginners think their success depends on a random roll of the dice. They treat trading like a casino, hoping for a miracle. But luck is only a tiny, fleeting part of success. Real traders win with knowledge, rules, and strategy. Without skill and a solid plan, any luck will disappear. Sustainable trading success comes from preparation, not prayer. Myth number 2, trade more, earn more. This is a common trap. New traders think constant trading will maximize profit. They chase every small signal or movement. Wrong. Overtrading quietly destroys accounts. Each trade costs money and leads to impulsive, emotional mistakes. Smart traders trade less, but they trade right. One well-planned trade beats 10 random trades. Patience is the real profit. Myth number 3, bots or signals will make you rich. The idea of automated profits is tempting, but most bots are scams or dangerous tools. Even legitimate bots can lose money if you don't understand them. Signals from others are not magic. Your knowledge, your thinking, and your decisions are what truly matter. Tools can help, but they cannot replace skill. Myth number 4, you need huge money to win. Many beginners think you need thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's false. Starting small is actually an advantage. You can learn, make mistakes safely, and protect your capital. Consistent small gains grow over time. Losing less is always stronger than risking everything for a fast win. Myth number 5, secret strategy equals instant riches. There is no hidden formula or holy grail. Markets change constantly. Success comes from learning, discipline, patience, and mastering yourself, not just the charts. No shortcut lasts forever. Smart money is earned through effort, adaptation, and understanding risk. Here's the core truth. 99% of traders fail because they believe these myths. They chase illusions, seek shortcuts, and gamble instead of learning and planning. Stop relying on luck, bots, or magic formulas. Focus on knowledge, planning, risk management, and patience. This is the secret most struggling traders ignore, and it is what turns trading from a gamble into a skill. If you are ready to stop losing and start trading the right way, check my channel description and join my community to learn a safe, step-by-step trading plan that works for beginners and experts worldwide. Remember this, trading is not luck. Trading is learning, discipline, and thinking smart. Start smart, stay safe, win smarter. If this video gave you even one useful idea, subscribe and catch the next one.